Hey everybody, just making a quick follow-up video on the Doogee S90. This is that modular rugged phone out of southern China. I made a hands-on first look video on this device about a week ago. If you haven't seen that yet, I invite you to please check it out. So what makes this phone special is it's a rugged phone with pogo pin connectors on the back that allows you to snap on modular accessories. These include this one, a 5,000 milliamp hour power bank. And then right here you have a digital walkie-talkie. You have to screw on the antenna. Once you screw it on, you can use it as a walkie-talkie. Actually, software is not ready yet. Doogee tells me when the software becomes ready, you'll be able to use it as a walkie-talkie. But the most interesting one is this one, the night vision goggle or night vision camera. So when I first did the unboxing, I didn't quite know how to use a night vision camera. I was testing it as a still photo camera, and a lot of viewers left the comments saying you're using it wrong. It's supposed to be meant for videos, and I was like, shit, you guys are right. I'm so dumb to use a night vision camera to take pictures. So in this video, I'm gonna take this phone down to the streets, into the dimly lit alleys, and just shoot videos with this camera side by side with our iPhone XS, just to show you how the scene looks in real life. Because iPhone XS camera is actually really close to real life. Like what you see through the iPhone XS is usually what you see with your human eyes. So you can get an idea of how dark the scene is versus how the scene looks with this night vision camera. Okay, so I'm in a relatively dark alley right now, and I have the Doogee S90 with a night vision lens plugged in. So I'm gonna walk all the way down to that really dark alley and just see how this holds up. I'm gonna record a video the whole time. So we'll begin. Let's do landscape. Okay. So as you can see, it's a pretty dark alley right now. So this night vision goggles is pretty lit. It's also a wide angle lens. But you see right now it is finding balance in the lights pretty well. So I'm gonna walk down here, which is a really dimly lit alley, and just see how this video turns out. See, so as you can see right now, it's really dark here. That's how the scene looks with the night vision. So the night vision goggle is able to pick up the sign pretty clearly. It's quite good quality. Now this is how it looks in real life. Okay, so right here, this is so right now you can kind of see the door through the video, but in real life it's completely dark. It's like pitch black, just about. But the night vision lens, you're able to see the door. Okay, and then we have here a relatively dark staircase. So I'm gonna walk up the staircase with the night vision. See, like the steps down here is completely dark, but with the camera you're able to see the steps. Okay, final test. So right now I'm inside my room. It is, I don't have any lights on, so the only light source is coming from this window. So you see, when there is light source, the iPhone footage looks a lot better than the footage from the Doogee S90's night vision modular add-on. But then now, once you move to the really dark areas, you see the iPhone just cannot pick up anything at all, while the Doogee's night vision can in fact pick up the poster. That's supposed to be Chow Fat right there, and you see there's some Chinese words right here on the iPhone XS. You can see it kind of faint, and I'm gonna pan down below to my drum set, electronic drum set. You can see my drum kit on the Doogee night vision on the iPhone XS. Nothing. Okay, so I think for what it's worth, the footage, this night vision cam, it's pretty impressive. I mean, obviously there's a lot of noise. there's no stabilization, and there's major heavy distortion around the edges. But you're not using this to shoot videos for aesthetics. You're using this as a potential lifesaver. Like if you're going camping and you can't really see in the dark, like you're in the forest and it's dark as hell, or you need to go into a cave, I think this will come in very handy. Considering the whole package is not that expensive, Doogee will be launching this phone, the S90, on crowdfunding in 2 days, and I believe the early bird price starts at $299. So for $299 you get this whole set right here. There's also a gamepad, which I didn't get. I don't know if the gamepad's included with this package. I don't think so, because this box doesn't have room for a gamepad. You get a wireless charger, the walkie-talkie module add-on, the battery pack, and the night vision cam. So that's it for now. I'll be back with a full review of this phone in like 2-3 weeks. Right now I just want to focus on the night vision cam. So thanks for watching.